Lena, where are we going now? You don't know. Where are we going?
We're going to special tree.
What tree is that?
Monkey got tree.
Oh, we're gonna see the monkey god tree. Let's go and see the monkey god tree.
Got tree.
This is block 433 Jurong West Street 42 on the ground floor. Yes, this is how our place looks like. And they are leaving the home right now to see the monkey god tree.
Where is my shoe?
I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 little monkeys here going to see the monkey god.
Mama also.
Not four.
Mama, you want to follow us to see the monkey god tree? Come, let's go. We are leaving home now. Now it's approximately 11:15 p.m. We are walking below the block. Let's see at this hour, at 11:15, are there still a lot of people there? Let's go and see the monkey god tree. The funny thing is, people are even beginning to look at trees which are right in front of block 433, speculating whether they can see any images here as well. Apparently there are no images here in front of block 433. And Mamat, are you following us as well? Mamat is also following us to have a look at the monkey god tree. Mamat, hurry up. Walk. Yeah, clever cat. Well, we are nearly approaching the area. At 11:25, the crowd is still here, still very crowded. Apparently the police have placed barricades. Being a member of Jurong Central CDC, the police have requested that we ensure that the barricades remain in place and to report to them if the barricades are removed at any time. The crowd is still quite a lot of people here. You can see the whole stretch of barricades are here. I think this is the 4th, or someone was saying there are 6 trees now. I have to check it out. I do not know how many trees are there, but according to people there are 6 trees now. This one is the first tree, which is exactly opposite the Chinese temple. You can see the patrol car going past, and the whole stretch of barricades are still in place. Amazing thing is, it is interesting to be a resident at Street 42 now. There's so many things happening. The place which was once dull has become so popular now, with so many people flocking to see things. This is apparently another tree. It's rather dark. You can't see much here. Mama, come, hurry up. This is another tree. There's nothing much here. It's difficult to figure out any images at this hour. It's rather dark. So if you look at the time now, this is the first tree. It resembles the image of the elephant god. Ganesan. So at 11:30 at night, there are still countless people here looking at all the different trees. The whole stretch of barricades are still in place by the police force. So we have people from all walks of life, all shapes and sizes coming to take a look at the miracle trees here in Jurong West Street 42. It's a little bit brighter over this side. Quite a lot of lights here, and still countless people walking past. Looks like the majority of the crowd is still here, apparently where the first tree was discovered, which is the monkey god tree. This is the second tree actually. So it's a bit dark, it's late at night. The only reason why we are doing this video is because we want to take a look at this hour, which is close to midnight. There are still countless people hanging around here. So this is apparently, I think, the first tree which was discovered, which resembles a monkey god. And this is exactly in front of Block 431. Luckily, being 6'3", I can get a good overview of the image above all the people here. Sorry. The image is rather clear from here. We will take some other images and see what we can get from here. Very interesting. These are some of the pictures which are put here, resembling the monkey god as well. See this one? This image is rather clear actually.
Betul eh? Tangan dia. Telinga.
Very interesting. This is where the barricade starts, apparently, and business has been brisk for the ice cream man as well. video clarity is not very good because it's close to midnight now, and the lack of lighting, so it's rather dark actually.